crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying healthy and crafty as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching this type of content, just keep on watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, it's a video response for a dear friend, Karina's Smile is a new color here in YouTube and Instagram. She's hosting a great crafty challenge giveaway. So let's show her some love and support, and you still have time to participate. And I'm gonna leave also the link to her video in the description box below. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I sent to Karina's. Hello, so this is a video response for Smile is a new color. She's hosting a crafty challenge. We are required to send an ATC card or artist trading card, and I put together 4. So I'm published these cards in my Instagram account. I go by KC Westfall 48. I will leave my handle in the description box below and also over here. So let's take a look at these ATC cards. I use the Sweet Story collection, Pebbles, and Crepe Paper, Good Vibes. So let's take a look at the first one. I'm going to open this up. I use the carousel paper just on the back, and of course I use the labels that I purchased from Olander Designs. She makes these gorgeous labels. And on this ATC card, as you can see, I did like a shaker card. I used this sequin mix that I received in a swap, and then these 2 chipboards are from a Pebbles collection, and I used some trim that I had and tied a bow on it. And this is a piece of the Crepe Paper Good Vibes ephemera. So it turned out really cute. Now the next one, again, I use Sweet Story collection and also carousel. Show you the back. Carousel again with the other lovely labels made by Olander Designs. I'm gonna leave also her link to her Etsy shop in the description box below. So let's take a look at the front of this one. I stitched everything, and all these are chipboard from the Sweet Story collection. Glue some sequin mix, and this is a sticker from the collection as well, and this is a bow that I put together as well. And I think it's very colorful and I like it how it turned out. Now the next one, it is, show you the back again. I just wanted to keep everything consistent. You see the back, it's just the same paper. And then on the front, I did another shaker and used one of the ephemeras from the Sweet Story collection. I can't help but smile. It's just so beautiful. Then some of the pieces from also paper pad from the Sweet Story collection, and this bow, it's made with the carousel collection paper. So cute. And then the last one, I had put together these butterfly. Show you the back, the same thing, and another of these cute handmade with love labels by Olander Designs. And I put together these butterfly last year for a swap, and I did extras, so I kept them. And as you can see, I stitched it, I put it like a pom-pom, and over here I use the Crepe Paper Good Vibes ephemera pieces here and there, and then a bling, more bling here. And this is a trim that I had from Walmart, and just a tiny little one, and it turned out really cute. So yeah, so this is my entry for Smile is a new color. I am gonna go ahead and link the video of her challenge in the description box below. So go ahead and enter and show some love and support. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you would like to be subscribed, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.